how to make hip hop beat in FL Studio. So for that, first we have to look for some kicks and drums. So let's add the percussion. As you can see, it's so big. We can use the stretch tool to make it simple. It's selected, just select according to your thing like this. Instrumental loops. Okay, we're gonna add those some chords. You can also make chords in here, like you can choose any plugins like FL something. You can add your chords like this. So basically make your melody in this section. Okay, now let's copy all the melodies from here. Okay, and paste it. Let's see how it sounds with all of them. Let's select it. Okay, looks cool. Clone it. For this chord, let's not add this one. Notice the thing. Let's go. Make this a duplicate. Let's see. Okay, this sounds cool, man. Get you. Okay. So you can use a thing that calls wave candy. Okay, inside the wave candy we will have a peak nature, where this one, so it helps while mastering. So as you can see, our thing is so loudy, so we can -4 is good. Let's select. Let's add a little more reverb. So in this wave weight knob, we will adjust some automations to make it look more great. Let's go for the chord. So without all those things, how it seems. And with these things. Let's make the beat now. Okay, we're a little more bit done. Okay, so we will make it a let's add the thing that we were adding, the card, I guess. Let's add the card now. Let's grab all those things a bit. Okay, now we're gonna start the thing. For in here you can just add a reversed chord. Okay, it seems cool. Okay, let's make it unique and then do it. Okay, let's make it a little bit down. 100%. We're pretty much done. In here you can add bass in the second part. So now we have to sidechain these beats. Okay, so it's not that hard, let's do it. Okay, so now we have to select this pattern. Okay, as you can see it's in here. So again you have to select a layer which is 12 for me. Let's select 12 for the kick. Now in the 13 I will rename it as side chain. Okay, and in the 14, okay, we have to get this bass. So in 14 I'm having the bass. Okay, so we have bass in 14 and the kicks in 12, and we have side chain in here. Okay, so we can also side chain in this one. Let's not do that. Let's connect this thing and side chain to this track. So in here we're gonna side chain the thing. Just apply Fruity Limiter and then click on 12 for side chain. So let's do a thing. So as you can see it's side chaining. Let's make it a little bit down, and let's add just the two things that we wanna hear. Okay, let's not add this thing. So without the sidechain, how it sounds? It sounds trash. Basically, let's see. As you can see, the beat is not good enough. So it's make sure you don't use this stretch tool while you do this kind of silent thing. So I'll in here. Okay, this one. For the build up, we can do a thing which is okay. Now let's make the automation. Let's see, remove this, the automation in here. Let's play. Oh, this seems cool, man. Let's copy and paste it in here. You can also use some risers. Okay. Okay, I have finished the next part of screen. Let's show you what we have done here. In here I just removed this, like filtered what we have did. So I have removed this, and so it is so loud here. You can use a build up in here, but I am not using because I don't have that sample pack right now, so you can use if you have. You should use a fill in here. Let's see I have a fill or not. Okay, I have used an impact in here. You should use risers in this point because I don't have that riser. I don't have so much sample packs right now, so you should use a riser. It will sound so good. Okay, from here I can just imagine that I can remove the sub bass from here and then give the sub bass in here instead. Let's hear the full final result. So that was not a quick, a long video of how you can make pop music in FL Studio. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video perhaps, and thanks for watching.